Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix PayPal Express Checkout not working on Shopify. So, if your PayPal button is not showing, if your customer cannot pay with PayPal, or if PayPal is not connecting the right way, then this video will help you check the main things you need to fix. Make sure you follow each step slowly, because most of the time this problem happens because PayPal is not fully connected, the payment setting is turned off, or something needs to be refreshed inside Shopify. Step 1. Go to your Shopify settings. First, open your Shopify store. Once you are inside your Shopify dashboard, look at the left side of the screen. From there, go down and click on Settings. After that, click on Payments. This is the place where Shopify keeps all the payment options for your store, so if PayPal is not working, this is the first place you should check. Do not skip this step, because sometimes PayPal is already added but the setup is not complete. Other times, PayPal is turned off, or it needs to be connected again. Step 2. Check if PayPal is active. Now, when you are inside the Payments page, look for PayPal. It may show under the Payment Options section. If you see PayPal there, check if it says Active, Setup Incomplete, or anything that looks like it still needs action. If it says Setup Incomplete, that means Shopify still needs you to finish the PayPal setup. Click on it, then follow the steps on the screen. You may need to log into your PayPal account and allow Shopify to use it for payments. Make sure you are using the correct PayPal account, especially if you have more than one PayPal email. If you connect the wrong one, your store may not work the way you want. Step 3. Finish the PayPal setup. After clicking PayPal, choose the option to complete the setup. Shopify may send you to PayPal. When that happens, log into your PayPal account. After logging in, PayPal may ask you to allow Shopify to connect with your account. Accept the request and continue. Once you are done, go back to Shopify. Now, check again if PayPal is showing as active. If it is active, that means PayPal is now connected to your store. But if it is still not working, continue with the next steps. Step 4. Turn PayPal off and then turn it back on again. Go back to Settings, then go to Payments. Find PayPal. Click on it, then choose Deactivate. After it is turned off, wait a few seconds, then activate PayPal again and connect it one more time. This can help refresh the connection between Shopify and PayPal. A lot of times, this simple step can fix the problem, especially if PayPal was working before but suddenly stopped. Next, open your PayPal account and make sure everything is okay there. Make sure your PayPal account is not limited. Also, make sure your email is confirmed. If PayPal is asking you to finish anything inside your PayPal account, complete it first. Sometimes Shopify is already set up correctly, but PayPal is the one stopping the payment. So check your PayPal account carefully and make sure there are no warnings or messages that need your attention. And that is how you can fix PayPal Express Checkout not working on Shopify. Start by checking your payment settings, make sure PayPal is active, reconnect your PayPal account, test your checkout, and make sure your PayPal account is ready to receive payments. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.